Hello dear viewers and subscribers. We are from Himalayan Beauties YouTube channel. Today our team dedicated a short documentary on the impact of global warming on the climatic conditions of Kashmir. This video coverage shows the destruction of Bir Wasupnag area during the flood of September 2014. Since decades, humankind on the planet Earth has pursued unending war with Mother Nature, in particular with Earth and its surrounding atmosphere, which has caused enormous environmental complications. The carbon emission footprint on Earth's biosphere is threatening to create greenhouse effect of monumental consequences across the continents regardless of socio-economical status, development, and advancement in science and technology. Man may have reached Moon and Mars, but on ground his very existence is under serious threat of extinction. Rapidly growing cosmopolitan phenomenon, and urbanization is engulfing agriculture and grasslands, unabated industrial growth, fossil fuel-powered traffic and transportation is playing havoc with the atmosphere. Pollution, freshwater resources, be it lakes, rivers, streams, or glaciers, are fading fast and turning biodiversity upside down, thus resulting in global warming and climate change with unprecedented consequences from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Asia to Africa, Antarctica to Australia, Europe to Americas. Kashmir, so-called the paradise on Earth, Switzerland, and Venice of Asia, is no way unaffected. The changed lifestyle we are witnessing in Kashmir since last 2 to 3 decades are clear indications of climate change. Our environmental behavior has gone through drastic overturns, be it our lakes and wetlands like Wooler, Dal, Supnag River, Onkar, Higam are turning like solid waste dumping sites, or the alpine glacial reservoirs from Thajwas to Kolahai, Shashnag to Siachen are melting faster than anticipated by researchers and environment scientists, with unforeseen disasters and calamities. The precipitation in the form of rains and snowfall in recent years has altered immensely. Erratic climate and unfavorable conditions has taken a toll on ground with colossal cause and effect. When we hear the term global warming, it seems like a far-fetched idea, especially when you are talking of Kashmir. This corner of the world, with its mountains, lakes, amongst glaciers, and countless bounties of nature, seems untouched by global climate change. But is it the reality? Or are we looking at things superficially? Today, the atmospheric patterns are changed. Now even if it snows mildly, it's in the month of late March or beginning of April, when the Kashmir spring is in its full bloom. Cherry and almond orchards are at their best, flourishing their red-white flowers, full of fragrance, attracting the honeybees from far-off places known to the world for best Kashmir honey. But their heavenly world too gets crashing in a flash. Lively blooms turn into the frizzling morass. Life gets into sudden freezing death. moving bloom petals turn lifeless, the color and the fragrance turn bitter white. Whole of the orchids turn into shrouds. Lush green yellow flickering mustard fields turn into frozen mutants. Deep mist and biting cold not only kills the honeybees but also kills Samad Khan's hope. Besides Muhammad Shafi's golden almond livelihood, which he cherished since decades, the enemy from within Kashmir thinks otherwise, and destroys all the hopes. September 2014, Kashmir floods were just a trailer, how for nature's fury and revenge can go for. It's that erratic behavior of nature's ferocity, which is turning the climate behavior upside down with its changing pattern. When rain is needed most, it becomes dry. When the snow is the must, it turns blank. When it's not needed, it smashes everything within a twinkle of an eye. Jammu and Kashmir is unprepared for flood fury. The devastating floods in Jammu and Kashmir that has so far claimed 150 lives and displaced hundreds of thousands was unforeseen. The state, because of its history of conflict, was not as privileged as the other Indian states to have a flood forecast system or a disaster management plan in place. While rivers in spate continue to engulf homes in the state, the Central Water Commission says lack of prerequisite requirements is to be blamed for absence of flood forecasting system in the state. Even when the state falls in highly active seismic zones 4 and V, the state administration sat on the plan for disaster management. Dear viewers, hope you subscribe our channel and share our videos to your friends. For watching more informative videos, visit our Himalayan Beauties YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.